Car Meet season. Bay City Car Meet is getting ready to once again spend the summer packing the parking lot with all of the awesome local rides. As always, there will be food trucks.
Bay City Car Meets, Michigan's largest family-friendly car group. We support Toys for Tots and Trunk or Treats for kids. Two great organizations.
Part of the Flappy's Bakehouse, Jeff, with all these hopped up cars and stuff. But right after that is the Bay County Fair and Youth Exposition. They've been around a while.
Look at these vehicles here, boy. It's fun to see these cars in the way that they're all done up. Look at the lights on this SS here as that's coming down the street. Got a few dollars into the tires, too.
Looks like I got my head out to Tri-City Dragway.
And I believe the speaker systems work pretty well in all the above as well.
Yes, they do.
As we've got a